Now you see, that's the problem we're sitting with. People who hits the ball, they look at that. That ball is way to the right. And that's why this foul ball is slow. It's people like you who can't play who waste a lot of time. Look at that. That ball is not even close to the fairway. That ball is probably 100 meters right.
Luister,
That is the problem we're
wat het
sitting
met
with.
jou te doen of ek 'n 16 voorgee is?
No, that ball is, it's embarrassing if you play like that.
Ag man, hoe weet jy hoe ek voor of van
absolutely
tevore
embarrassing.
gespeel? Hoe weet jy hoe ek van tevore
The
gespeel?
problem is people like you come to corporate golf day, you embarrass yourself, you waste all the people's time.
Luister,
You know what I'm
ek
saying?
die by hierdie vierbal
Sakkie, I'm the course marshal, Sakkie van Sail.
Ja, nou maar Sakkie van Sail, hoe weet jy hoe ek voor van tevore gespeel?
Why don't you rather pick up so and you hawk the course? Because you're wasting a lot of time if you play like that.
Is dit ek by die hele veld se tyd mors? Hæ?
Now don't play golf, sir. I don't play golf.
Ja, maar is belaglik man. Ja, presies. Ek meen dis aan die bloody dag.
This is not Nissan's golf day. This is UD Trucks.
Well, then they mustn't come here.
It's UD Trucks.
It's Nissan, but we are Nissan customers. That was supposed to be
This is a professional facility. This is a professional
Dan sê
facility.
vir my ek stel die vierbal te leer om so 'n bietjie regs te slaan. Dis sodat jy so bliksons baie druk op ons sit hierso man.
Look at that ball also. That ball is also right. Are you customer from UD Trucks?
Yeah, I'm a customer. Big customer. Not a small one, a big
Do
customer.
you know the people here at UD Trucks?
Well, call the CEO, Mr. Richards.
Do you know him?
Yeah,
Ja,
go call
van
him.
hy Richard, sê
Go
van
call him. Tell him Anthony Phillips has got a problem.
Then I apologize because I don't want to be in trouble with the CEO.
Ja, nee.
You do that, that's not how
They're paying me
You
something
scored out
to
there.
marshal
Yes,
in here.
I
Do me a favor, man. Just check the line for me, but must I go for the bunker
That's
or you reckon?
just a bunker, sir. Not like this gentleman, because they were totally, I mean, it's embarrassing the way they play. You just hit straight, it's
Wat sê
fine.
vir ons ken nie? Ons het mos mense.
But so it's people like you who come here who wasting a lot of time. I mean, you take invitations, you can't play golf. It's people like you.
Hoe weet jy ons kan nie golf speel nie,
You
Sakkie?
know what I'm saying?
Hæ? Hoe weet jy ons kan nie golf
But
speel
I can see, I mean,
Hoe kan jy sien jy speel nie by golf nie?
because this man especially, I mean, really he can't play.
Ja,
I
dan
mean,
kan
I
jy
don't know.
nie.
You've got a handicap, sir.
No, I don't have a handicap.
Ja, maar wat dit
I
maak
don't
ons nie
have
saak
a
nie. Ek meen
I
dit
just
is
went
ons
to
nie.
buy by myself this set of gloves today of 24,000. That's why I claim today to come play here. That's why I came.
But do you know the CEO personally, sir?
I
Ja,
don't personally,
definitely.
Johan Richards.
You are
Why did
Richards.
someone call him and let him
Ja.
tell you who I am?
Ja.
Who I am. I spent last month 10 million rand on trucks on to buy from them. He's the
10
guy-
million.
he's the
10
guy-
million.
he's
Yeah.
the guy
Cash.
from Muslim.
Let me hit a bed
No,
shot.
sir. Then I've got the wrong customer. I don't want to embarrass people with spending that amount of money.
I think you must go here.
Well, but sir, can I just have a word quickly with you, sir? Please, please, sir. Please, sir, I really apologize. Sir, I really apologize. I will lose my job, sir, because I started last week.
But I'm your people.
Please, sir. Please, sir. Sir, I will buy you a beer, sir. Sir, please, I really, I will carry for you, sir. Sir, I will carry you, I will take your golf clubs. Sir, please, don't. If you report now, I'll lose my job.
Meneer, hij man, dan ga je report
Now, I'll clean your clubs for you, sir. So please, I'll carry for you, sir.
Meneer, kom gaan spelen.
But sir, will you look for me? Just drive a little bit forward, sir. Just here a little bit, like that. Just stop there. Can you look there, sir? You see the hidden camera? What is your name, meneer? Sorry, Philip.
Nee, Sakkie. Ag nee.
What is your name?
Benny Lamcha.
Benny. Benny daar. Thanks, Johan.
Thanks Johan.
Thank you for the invite.
Dank u weer.
I knew it was stupid to be true. That's why you couldn't get me.